Hi all my lovely foodies, it's CiCi here. Today I'm partnering with Knorr and I'll be using Knorr Liquid Seasoning to make 5 must-eat Asian dipping sauces. In this small pan, we're gonna add in the Knorr Liquid Seasoning. It brings out the umami flavor. It's the perfect all-around companion in the kitchen. Ketchup, rice vinegar, honey, apple juice. Give it a good mix. Over low heat, bring it to a simmer. Add in the cornstarch slurry to thicken the sauce. You can dip anything into it like egg rolls, fried wontons, fried chicken, even fried fish. In a small pan over low heat, add in the extra light olive oil and garlic. Cook until aromatic for about 30 seconds. Then transfer in the creamy peanut butter, hoisin sauce, and Knorr Liquid Seasoning. Now we're gonna add in the chicken stock. Stir for about a minute. Lastly, we're gonna top it with roasted cashew. You can serve this with summer rolls. We're gonna mix in the Knorr Liquid Seasoning. Black vinegar. You can use any type of black vinegar that you like in here, like zhenjiang vinegar or balsamic vinegar. Sesame oil, garlic, in a small pan, add in the Knorr Liquid Seasoning. Duojiao chili peppers. You can also use any other type of chili peppers that you like. Rice vinegar. Maple syrup. You could also use honey for this. Garlic. Apple juice. Over low heat, bring it to a simmer. Add in the cornstarch slurry to thicken the sauce. You can serve this with egg rolls, fried wonton, shrimp toast, fried chicken, or even fried fish. We're gonna add in the lemon juice. Knorr Liquid Seasoning. Apple juice. MIRIN. Dry bonito flakes. Dry kelp. And we're gonna let it steep in the fridge overnight. Now we're going to discard the dry bonito flakes and dry kelp. And lastly, add in the lemon zest. I use this sauce every single time for shabu shabu and hot pot. I hope that everyone enjoyed today's episode. Please comment below and let me know which one is your favorite dipping sauce. I will see you again next Friday for another awesome recipe. So bye for now!